What if you could post a high-converting TikTok shop video today without buying the product, filming anything, or writing a single word of copy? That is exactly what affiliates are doing right now with a specific AI tool. And by the end of this video, you will know the exact step-by-step process to do it yourself. Let us get into it. Finding a product with a solid commission rate is easy. 10, 15, 20%, they are out there. The hard part is making a video that actually converts, because TikTok shop content has to do the selling. And what wins every single time is UGC, real people, on camera, talking authentically about a product. Not polished ads, not stock footage. Real people. Creating that takes time and equipment. Paying a creator destroys your margin. And reposting the same viral video everyone else is using, TikTok buries it immediately. Most affiliates either never post consistently or settle for content they know is not good enough. The commissions reflect it. There is a better way. The tool is called Vmake. It is an AI-powered video tool built specifically for TikTok shop creators. The feature I want to show you is called Recreate Product Video. You take a viral UGC video that is already converting on TikTok shop, and Vmake recreates that exact format with your product. Same energy, same pacing, same style the algorithm already loves. But your product, your commission, your content. No samples, no studio, no filming. All you need is a product image and a reference video. This is not copying. It is taking a format already proven to convert and making it yours. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to walk through this using a real example, a biodance face mask with a 14% commission. Perfect for spring sale and Easter gifting traffic right now. Go to TikTok and find your product. For spring sale, I am focusing on beauty products and skincare. These categories are seeing the highest purchase intent right now. Look for anything above 10% commission. That is where it becomes genuinely worth your time. What you are looking for is a high-performing UGC video. A real person on camera talking about the product, not an animation or a brand ad. Download that video. That is your reference material. Open Vmake and select Recreate Product Video. Upload the reference video you just downloaded or paste the product URL directly, so both work. Then upload your product image. Important. The reference video must feature a real person on camera. That is specifically what this feature is built to recreate. Generic product clips will not give you the same result. Now you have a product description field. This is where you tell Vmake what your product does. The key benefits, the selling points, anything you want the video to highlight. The easiest way to do this is to go back to your TikTok shop product page, copy the product description directly from there, and paste it in. You do not need to write anything yourself, just copy and paste from TikTok shop. Now, the custom avatar field. You have two options. Leave it blank. Vmake automatically uses the avatar from your reference video. Fastest option, looks natural, or describe your own. I'm going with East Asian, female, 22 to 25. Natural makeup, casual style, friendly and approachable. Someone who looks like a real creator, not a model. Match this to whoever your target buyer is and the video will feel more relatable to them. Your call, blank for speed, custom for control, hit generate. A few minutes later, you have a complete 30-second UGC style video. Strong hook, product story built in, call to action at the end, and subtitles already included.
Big day tonight. Prepping my skin with the Biodance Caviar PDRN mask. It hugs the skin perfectly so I can multitask while it works its magic. See it turning clear?
That last part matters. The majority of TikTok viewers watch on mute. Subtitles are not a nice to have. They are the difference between someone watching and someone scrolling past. Here is the original viral video for the lantern. And here is the Vmake recreation with my product. Look at the structure. The hook format is identical. A person holding the product, immediate benefit stated in the first 2 seconds. The pacing through the selling points matches. The call to action at the end follows the same rhythm. The only difference is that one video is earning someone else's commissions, and one is earning mine. That is the whole game. Spring sale is live, Easter is days away. These are the highest purchase intent weeks of the first half of the year. Brands are raising commissions. New arrivals are dropping across every category daily. The creators who win these windows are not the ones with the best equipment. They are the ones posting consistently. Vmake solves the production bottleneck completely. One afternoon, multiple products, multiple commission streams. I want to be honest about something. When I first heard about recreating viral videos with AI, I was genuinely skeptical. I thought the output would look fake. I thought real buyers would not convert on it. And then I started tracking what was actually happening with this workflow during recent sales seasons. The content works because it is modeled on formats the algorithm has already validated. Vmake does not try to predict what will perform. It builds on what is already performing. Here is exactly what to do right now. Go to TikTok Shop Affiliate. Pick a spring or Easter product in outdoor gear, home goods, or beauty with a commission above 10%. Find the top performing UGC video for that product, download it. Open Vmake, go to Recreate Product Video. Follow every step I just walked you through and post it today. The link to Vmake is in the description. When you post your first recreated video, drop the TikTok link in the comments. I check every single one and I genuinely want to see what you make. If this showed you something you were not already using, hit the like button. It helps more people find this. And subscribe for more every week. Real tools, real workflows, nothing theoretical. Drop a comment below. Which TikTok shop category are you currently promoting? I am genuinely curious what everyone is working on. See you in the next one.